If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Fortnite account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance that could be affecting account sync. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve syncing issues. Turn off your gaming device or computer, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update Fortnite. Ensure that you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform or launcher, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for syncing your account. Run a speed test to check your connection, and if necessary, reset your modem or router to improve connectivity. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Epic Games account with your gaming platform. Go to the account settings on the Epic Games website, unlink the account, and then follow the steps to link it again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any syncing issues with your Fortnite account. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.